Hi everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Do you think that robots will do our homework one day? Or maybe they'll make a yummy chocolate cake whenever we want? Well, that's exactly what I thought. Artificial intelligence or AI was all about. But guess what? It's even more fascinating than that. Today, let me tell you what AI really means to me. When I first heard the word AI, I imagined big shiny robots walking around my house, helping me find my lost pencil box or secretly completing my math worksheets. I even thought one day an AI robot might pack my school bag when I sit and relax. Sounds amazing, right? But slowly, I realized AI is not just about robots. It's like a brain inside computers, a special intelligence that helps machines learn, think, and even talk back to us. So what exactly is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Artificial means man-made, and intelligence means the ability to learn and solve problems. Just like we kids learn from books, experiences and teachers, AI learns from data. The more it sees, the more it understands. That's why when we ask Google a question, it answers us so quickly. When we watch videos on YouTube, it keeps suggesting new ones we might like. And when we play video games, the computer characters know exactly how to challenge us. All of this is AI at work. But let's have a little fun here. Imagine if AI really did my math homework, I would get full marks. But my teacher would faint in shock. Or what if AI helped my mom in the kitchen? We would probably have pizza and burger every day because that's what I would train it to make. And what if AI became my pet? That would be awesome. I'd never have to clean up after it and it would always obey me. Well, unless it decided to run away to find a Wi-Fi connection. Jokes apart, AI is not just fun and games. It's actually very useful in our daily lives. Doctors use AI to find diseases faster and save lives. Cars can drive by themselves with the help of AI, which means one day we might sit back and relax and let the car take us to school. Teachers can use AI to make learning more fun with videos, quizzes, and even personalized lessons. And did you know in space missions, AI helps astronauts navigate and study planets far away. But here's something important. AI cannot do everything. It can't eat ice cream, it can't hug you, and it surely can't feel love, kindness, or friendship. That's what makes us humans special. We can dream, imagine, and care for others. AI may be super smart, but it does not have feelings. And honestly, without feelings, life would be quite boring. Don't you think? Now, let's imagine the future. Maybe AI will help us solve big problems like climate change or finding cures for difficult diseases. Maybe it will become my best study buddy, reminding me when to revise and even cheering me up when I'm nervous before exams. But I also hope AI never replaces chocolate cake because that's too risky for my sweet tooth. So what is AI to me? For me, AI is like a magic tool that humans created. But just like magic, it's powerful only when we use it wisely. AI is not here to replace us, but to help us. It's more like a smart helper, but the real thinkers and decision makers are always us humans. And the best part, AI can never feel what we feel. It doesn't have emotions. Only we can love, care, and imagine. And that's what makes us truly special. I hope you liked this video. For more such amazing videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until my next video, stay curious and keep learning. Signing off, Page Pearl Smiley. See you next time.